Hi students, today part B solved problems. In solved problems, we have very short questions. See, what is the first question in very short questions? Check whether the following series are in AP. If so, write the first term common difference of the series 4, 6 and half, 9, 11 and half and so on. See what is given 4, 6 and half, 9, 11 and half. Write the series, write the progression 4, 6 and half, 9, 11 and half and so on. What do I have to write? Write first term and common difference. First we have to check whether this series, this progression is in AP or not, in arithmetic progression or not. How to check? First you write this is first term, this is second term, this is third term, this is fourth term and so on. You will have nth term also. And what is first term here? A1 is 4. A1 is 4. First term is 4. What is second term? 6 and half. What is third term? 9. What is fourth term? 11 and half. We have to check whether the series in AP or not. How to check whether it is in AP or not? Common difference must be same. Means A2 minus A1 must be equal to A3 minus A2 equal to A3 minus A2. We will check whether the common difference is equal or not. First, what is A2 here? 6 and half minus 4 must be equal to A3. What is A3 here? 9. 9 minus 6 and half. 6 and half means 6 to the 12. 12 plus 1, 13 by 2 minus 4 must be equal to 9 minus 6 to the 13 by 2. You take LCM. LCM is 2 here and you will have 13 here minus 2 4s are 8. It must be equal to, see, what is the LCM here? 2. 9 2s are 18. 18 minus, same, 2 1s are 2. We have to multiply with 1. 13 1s are 13. See, 13 minus 8, we will have 5. 18 minus 13, 5. You are getting, what is the common difference you are getting? Common difference you are getting is 13 minus 8 means 5 by 2. And also this 18 minus 13 also equal to 5 by 2, as common difference is equal. Therefore given progression is in AP. See, common difference. What is common difference? Equal to D is equal to 5 by 2. Common difference is 5 by 2. And what is first term here? A1 is equal to A is equal to 4. First term is 4 and common difference is 5 by 2. That is D and this is A. First we have to check whether the given series, given progression in AP or not. We have to find the common difference. Common difference must be same, as this is in AP. You can write first term and also common difference. Now what is the second problem we have in very short questions? If an means nth term, is 3 plus 2n, then show that a1, a2, a3, a4 and an are in AP. What is given? Nth term an is equal to 3 plus 2n. What is given? An is equal to 3 plus 2n. An is nothing but nth term. What we have to find out? You have to find the series, progression. What is it? A1, A2, A3, A4, so on and an. And you write the series A1, A2, A3, A4, so on, an. First write nth term. What is nth term here? An is equal to 3 plus 2n. I have already told you, if nth term is given, you can write the series. If the series is given, You can write the nth term like that. A1 means you substitute n is equal to 1 here. Here n is equal to 1. A1 is equal to 3 plus 2 into 1. You are getting 3 plus 2, 5. What is first term you are getting? 5. Then substitute n is equal to 2. A2, 3 plus 2 into 2. The substitute n is equal to 2 here. You are getting 3 plus 2 to the 4. 3 plus 4, 7. N is equal to 3. A3 is equal to, substitute n is equal to 3, so that you will get third term. 2 into 3 is equal to 3 plus 2 3 is a 6 is equal to 9. And find fourth term is equal to n is equal to 4. Substitute n is equal to 4 in the given nth term. 3 plus 2 into 4 is equal to 3 plus 2 4 is 8. 3 plus 8 you are getting 11. Now you write the series. What is A1? 5. You write the series A1, A2, A3, A4 and AN. What is first term here? 5. Second term is 7. Third term 9. Fourth term is 11. And nth term is 3 plus 2n. 5, 7, 9, 11. And nth term will be 3 plus 2n. We have to check whether it is in AP or not. Common difference must be same. A2 minus A1. A2 minus A1 must be equal to A3 minus A2. What is A2 here? 7. 7 minus A1 is 5. And what is A3 here? 9. 9 minus A2 is 7. We have to check whether common difference is equal or not. D is equal to 2 and 9 minus 7 also equal to 2. Common difference is same. Therefore, given series in AP because common difference is same. Okay. Now third problem in very short questions is find the first term and common difference of AP. AP means arithmetic progression. Whose third term is 5 and seventh term is 9. Solution. First we have to write the progression. See A1, A2, A3, A4 and so on. You write nth term. What is first term? What is first term? That is A. Second term is A plus D. You write this A plus D, A plus 2D, A plus 3D like that. A plus 2D. And fourth term will be A plus 3D. Fourth term 1 less 3D. Next A plus 4D. Like that. Nth term will be A plus n minus 1 into D. You have to write the series A plus D, A plus 2D, A plus 3D, A plus 4D and A plus n minus 1 into D. You can check A plus D minus A, common difference is D. A plus 2D minus A plus D, you will get common difference is D as it is in AP. Nth term will be A plus n minus 1 into D. And what he has given third term is 5. What is third term here? Third term is third term. Third term A3 will be A plus 2D. See, remember, first term is A. Second term is A plus D. Third term is A plus 2D. 5. Third term is 5. And seventh term is 9. We will write seventh term. Seventh term will be A plus 1 less 6D. What is it? 9. We got two equations. A plus 2D is equal to 5 and A plus 6D is equal to 9. Take these two equations and these two are simultaneous equation. We can find the values of A and D. A plus 2D is equal to 5 and A plus 6d is equal to 9. You subtract this equation from this equation. You can write this equation on the top and this equation in the bottom, no problem. Now you subtract this equation from this equation. Subtracting, you write subtracting. You see, if you subtract this equation from this equation, the sign changes. Plus becomes minus. Plus becomes minus. Plus a minus a cancel. 2d minus 6d, you will get minus 4d, and 5 minus 9, you will get minus 4. You will have minus minus cancel. 4d is equal to 4 and d is equal to 4 by 4 equal to 1. You got the common difference is 1. Then what is the common difference you got? Common difference you got d is equal to 1. You got common difference d is equal to 1. Now we have to find first term a. Substitute the value of d is equal to 1. Either of these two equations. I will take first equation, a plus 2d is equal to 5. A plus, what is the value of d? Substitute d is equal to 1 in this equation is equal to a plus 2 is equal to 5, and you will have a is equal to 5 minus 2 is equal to 3. Here I will write first term a is equal to 3 and common difference will be d is equal to 1. Now what is fourth problem? Find the sum of 10 terms of 7, 10 and of 14 and so on. Number of terms n is equal to 10. Which formula I have to use? N by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Now what is fifth problem? Find the sum of 7 plus 10 and of plus 14 plus dash 84. You should understand the difference between these two problems, fourth problem and fifth problem. Here he has given number of terms, n is equal to 10. Here we don't have number of terms. This is last term he had given, means nth term. Last term and nth term are same. From nth term we have to find number of terms. First we will take this formula, sum of n terms is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Now given, write the 7 plus 10 and of plus 14 plus so on. We have to find sum of 10 terms. We have to find sum of 10 terms. See, what is the formula we have? Sn is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. See, you know n, number of terms is 10 and a, first term is 7 and n is 10. D is common difference. You have to find, you have to subtract 7 from 10 and half or 10 and half from 14. Now, what is n here? Now we have to find sum of n terms. Given n is equal to 10 and 2 into a. What is a here? A is equal to 7 we have. Substitute a is equal to 7 here. 7 plus n is 10 minus 1 into. What is common difference? You subtract 7 from 10. 10 minus 7, 3 and off. 3 and off means you write 3 and off. Next, 10 by 2 means 5 into 7 2s are 14 plus 10 minus 1, 9. 9 into 2 3s are 6. 6 plus 1, 7. 7 by 2. Now 5 into 14 plus 9 7s are 63. 63 by 2 means 31 and half. 31 and half. And you will get 5 into 14 plus 31 means 45 and half you will get. You multiply 5 with 45. 5 5s are 25. 5 4s are 20. 20 plus 2, 22 and off. Therefore, sum of 10 terms of 7 plus 10 and half plus 14 plus so on is 225 and off. Now fifth problem. Find the sum of 7 plus 10 and half plus 14 plus so on plus 84. Here we can use this formula or this formula. Here you see N, A, D. A has given A first term and we can find common difference. But we don't have N here. We don't have N. We can use this formula also. Sum of N terms. N we have to find out. A first term 7 and last term 84. First term and last term we know and we don't know number of terms N. We have to find number of terms from last term. What is last term here? Last term or nth term, that is 84. What is the formula for last term or nth term? You take an is equal to, now an is equal to 84. An means a plus n minus 1 into d. Nth term is a plus n minus 1 into d is equal to 84. Because last term, nth term is 84. This is nth term or last term. From this we have to find number of terms. You know first term, you know common difference. A, what is A here? 7 plus, we don't know n, number of terms we don't know. Keep as it is, n minus 1 into d. What is the common difference here? D is equal to 10 and half minus 7. You will get 3 and half. And also you can check 14 minus 10 and half. Also you will get 3 and half. Now common difference is 3 and half. 3 and half means 7 by 2. Substitute d is equal to 7 by 2 is equal to 84. N minus 1 into 7 by 2 is equal to, here we are adding, there it goes and we have to write minus 7. N minus 1 into 7 by 2 is equal to 84 minus 7, 77. Now, n minus 1 into 7 by 2 is equal to 77. It can be written as n minus 1 is equal to 77 into 2 by 7. 7 ones, 7 11s. N minus 1 is equal to 11 into 2, 22. N is equal to 22 plus 1. N is equal to 23. Number of terms you got 23. How many terms are there? 84 is 23rd term. First term, second term, third term. How many terms are there? 23 terms are there. 84 is nothing but 23rd term. Now we have to, you can substitute the values of NAD in this formula, or you can substitute the values of NAL in this formula. It is better to take this formula so that it is very easy to calculate. Sn is equal to n by 2 into A plus L. What is n here? How many terms are there? 23 by 2 into, what is A? 7. What is last term? 84. 7 plus 84. Now 23 by 2 into 7 plus 84, 91. You multiply 23 with 91, you will get 2093 divided by 2 is equal to 2 ones are 0, 2 fours are 8, 13, 2 6 are 12, and sum of these terms is equal to 1046 and half. Sum of these terms is equal to 1046 and half. Like that, you have to take either this formula or this formula. You can find out the sum of these terms, because here we don't have number of terms. From last term you have to find number of terms n, then substitute the values of n, a, l in this formula, and you will get sum of these terms, that is nothing but 1046 and off. Now sixth problem, if k minus 6, 2k minus 1 and 4k plus 5 are in AP, then find the value of k. What is given? K minus 6, 2k minus 1, 4k plus 5. They are in AP, means arithmetic progression. In arithmetic progression, a plus d minus a is equal to d. A plus 2d minus a plus d is equal to d. Means common difference is same. That's why this is a1, this is a2, and this is a3. You will see what is common difference. Common difference must be same. D is equal to a2 minus a1. That is nothing but 2k minus 1 minus k minus 6. 2 a2 means 2k minus 1 minus a1 means k minus 6. 2k minus 1 minus k plus 6, minus into minus plus 6. 2k minus k, minus 1 plus 6 plus 5. You take this is d1. We will find d2, common difference. d1 and d2 must be same, because this progression is in AP. What is d2? That is a3 minus a2. a3 minus a2. What is a3 here? 4k plus 5 minus, what is a2? a2 is 2k minus 1. Now 4k plus 5 minus 2k minus into minus plus 1. 4k minus 2k, 2k plus 5 plus 1 plus 6. d2. d1 is equal to d2. d1 is equal to d2 implies k plus 5 is equal to 2k plus 6. Now we have to find the value of k. Now 2k plus 6 minus k minus 5 is equal to 0. 2k minus k, k plus 6 minus 5 is equal to plus 1 is equal to 0. K plus 1 is equal to 0. K is equal to minus 1. We can verify whether our answer is true or false. Substitute k is equal to minus 1 in this one, so that you will get the progression which is in AP. We will verify whether our answer is true or false. Substitute k is equal to minus 1 in this progression. You will get that progression will be in arithmetic progression. K is equal to minus 1. Minus 1 minus 6 minus 7. 2 into minus 1 minus 2. Minus 2 minus 1 minus 3. 4 into minus 1 minus 4 plus 5 1. Now you see, check whether this progression is in AP or not. Minus 3 minus of minus 7 means you will get 4. 1 minus of minus 3, you will get 4. Common difference is 4. Therefore, this progression is in AP. Therefore, the value of k is minus 1, as our answer is true.